Preparar flan. Nosotros necesitamos leche evaporada, leche condensada, leche, vanilla, azúcar, azúcar y un baño de María o casucha. Oh, y una cucharada. Soy la sin estrella y jefe de la cocina. Y mi papá tiene la cámara cinematográfica.
Oh, Rocky?
So, first we're going to take this big thing, fill it with water at about a third of the way up, and put it in the oven, which is at 350 degrees.
Can I try to open the door first?
So now we're gonna make the base for the flan. We're gonna get 1 teaspoon, of vanilla, or you could do 2. I might do 1.5. Ooh, yeah. There we go. So we got 1 teaspoon, another half of a teaspoon. More like 2, but okay. It's about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then we're gonna take 5 eggs, and it doesn't matter if it's get this off of that. It doesn't matter if it's scrambled up at all, because the blender will do it for you. So put the 5 eggs in there. Then you take some of the. Looks like it tastes that good. Then you take some evaporated milk, and it's 12 ounces. Pour it all in. Kind of looks like a shake. Then you take some, about 14 ounces of condensed milk. Tastes good. Pour it all in. Knife, where's a knife? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. No. Okay, so get the rest out of here. Cause yeah, make sure you use the knife when you put it all in, cause a lot of the condensed milk will get stuck in the bottom. Does that.
Or you could use something like this.
Well, I could, but that'd be too easy. So. Once you put all of that in, you're gonna, well, I like to put a little bit of milk in, about, I don't know, a teaspoon. So, just add a teaspoon of milk. There we go. And we're gonna put this back on. Dang it. How does this work? Go down. There we go. Put that back in, and we're going to turn it to stir. That looks nice and good.
Don't forget to look at the camera.
So we're just gonna leave that there. And now we're going to take a cup of sugar. So I took a cup of organic sugar, make sure it's organic, and then poured it in this big bowl, Pyrex bowl. Swirl it around a little bit. And since this is made of glass, I don't want it to crack, so I'm using this diffuser, which takes some of the heat away. So I'm going to put it on top. Whoops, wrong one. Turn the oven on. Let's make sure that's on. Oh, whoops, wrong oven. Oven wrong. Whatever it's called. Good, it's on. So we're going to go like that. And now it's going to take a little while for the sugar to start melting because you need a lot of heat. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
So this is like about halfway through. The sugar's about starting to caramelize-ish. There's still chunks, and you gotta wait for all the chunks to be gone. But you gotta make sure the sugar doesn't burn, because that's not good. Sugar is burning. So this is what it will look like finished. Now I'm just waiting for it to dry. But once it starts drying and the pan cools down, it dries really, really fast. So I'm just doing this until it dries. Hardens, dries, same thing. You want to get it all around the edges. Ooh, ow.
Okay, now you can turn it on.
Action.
So this is about what it would look like at the end. Sometimes the flan, the sugar in it cracks, but that's totally okay if it cracks. And I put a little bit too much sugar in, so you can kind of see it's pretty deep right there, but it's okay. And make sure you really swirl it around on these edges. You're really gonna want that. So then we come back to, remember those 5 eggs and milk that and vanilla and all that we put in here? We're gonna take all that, we're just gonna pour it in. Pour it all in. So there we go. That's it. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is with this, there's a hot pad. Oh, 2. With these, so we're gonna take all this, bring it over here to the oven. Open the oven up, and
This is way too hot. No, you can't do that. Turn it off.
so now,
Hold on.
So now we're gonna put the caramel or sugar and stuff in this water bath, I'll say. So we're just you're gonna want to set the timer for about 40 to 45 minutes. We'll say 40 minutes. And then you're gonna, once you take it out, you're gonna let it cool and set overnight, and then you're gonna use this contraption to go like this. Oh, and you're gonna, when you take it out, make sure it's done by putting a knife in and then taking it out, and if it's clean, it's good. So yeah, you just put this in, take it out, you flip it, and there you go, you got flan.